Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to the channel for another video today. I officially am free. I have dropped all three of my kids off at school. Well, two I dropped off. My high schooler I let ride with a friend, which is a whole different thing. But I am free finally, and it is time for Brittany to get back to being Brittany. If you are new here, my name is Brittany, and I've lost 115 pounds on a GLP1, and I've shared that entire journey here with you guys from my very first injection all the way up until now from a real relatable standpoint. I love to educate and encourage and support you guys from a real, hey, we're just besties here type of thing. You know, we're best friends. We're doing the thing. So, we'd love to have you subscribe, stick around, hang out with us, come and join the free encouragement Facebook group, which is always linked down below, and check out where I get my compounded GLP1 from if you are looking for one, which is join Belle. Again, so many of you guys use Belle. I don't even need to say much about them now at this point because everybody knows they're so great and amazing and have great pricing and great customer service and great support. So check them out if you're interested. There is a link in the description box with a discount code. Okay. All of that to say, I am chippy chipper up and awake today. I have been awake since 6 a.m., which is very, very early for me. Just dropped all the kids off at school, and now I am going to walk. I'm trying to find that lid to my shake so I can show you what I ate for breakfast. So this morning I did have my coffee with my creatine in it. I did not add protein, just the creatine. And now it is 8:30 and I am having breakfast-ish. I have an orange, a mandarin. So this is a big part of my changes, which we'll talk about a little bit when we walk. But I have a mandarin orange, which I think I'm going to save for after my walk. And then I've been drinking on a Fairlife protein shake, which I honestly forgot how good these things are. I haven't had one of these in a while, and I have about a third of it left, so I need to chug this before I start walking. But that is what my breakfast has been today. I have about 45 minutes to walk, and then I need to get home and do my weightlifting, which you guys are going to do with me, and get ready for my meeting and take a shower and all of that. So we actually have quite a busy day and quite a good day of meals. So follow along. Let's go get some exercise in on this first day of school. I did it. She's empty. I'm gonna have to order some more of these. Again, I forgot how good these are. They taste like, I don't even know. They're the best protein shake I've ever tried. So if you're looking for one, these are delicious. Okay, headphones and going walking. So I really actually wanted to go to my park that has my gazebo today, but I don't have the time to do that. That park is actually about 20 minutes from my house. And by the time I drove there, walked, drove back, tried to lift weights, tried to shower, I was going to be late for my meeting. So I decided to just come to our local Y and walk on the trails here. But you guys will see the gazebo very, very soon. I promise. It's back to the gazebo times. But these woods are beautiful in and of themselves. And there is more people here. So I don't know, safety, whatever. You guys know. I'm fearless to a fault. So anyway, what I did want to talk about sort of briefly before we get into weightlifting and lunch and dinner and all of the things is what my goals are for this school year, right? The summer is a hard time for me to set and work on goals with the kids being home, trying to work. It's too much. And so every new school year, I start out with a goal. Last year, it was really just to walk consistently, and I did that. And that goal is going to continue this year. However, another big goal that I have is to really focus more on my nutrition, especially in the morning, which is why you saw me drinking a Fairlife. I am typically not a breakfast eater. You guys know this. However, what that leads to a lot during the school year for me especially when I walk for an hour or so, and then I try to go all the way till lunch and I'm trying to work, is I end up grabbing a handful of pretzels or, something that I don't need to be eating. So my big goal is to start off every morning with a protein shake. That is something I do not like to eat in the morning. It's just, I do not want to physically chew and eat anything first thing in the morning, but I do think that I could drink a protein shake. So the Fairlifes are going to be my go-to for that. I've even tried protein bars before, and that I just don't like to physically consume food, but a drink will work. So my number one goal is to focus on getting in that 30 grams of protein first thing in the morning so that hopefully I don't do that snacking until lunchtime. My second big goal is to prep lunches. So again, I've been in a rut of eating yogurt bowls and stuff like that. And while that's great, it does have a lot of sugar in it, and I don't want to do that. So, I mean, like, I will probably occasionally eat them, but my goal is to do some more prepping so that I have meals that I can just like microwave while I'm working, take them upstairs to my office if I need to, and eat them during the day. So those are my two big like nutritional type goals. Again, in maintenance, you got to have a goal, something to work towards. And then as far as exercise goes, obviously I want to start resistance training. If you caught my short yesterday, I started yesterday. I'm going to do some more today. I'll probably post another short or a TikTok, both probably, and then you guys will see it in this video as well. But we are easing into weightlifting at home using like workouts that I find online. And once I get comfortable enough with that, then maybe I will go to the gym. So with all that being said, I want you right now to drop in the comments what your goals for this school year are in terms of nutrition and fitness. Okay, so I walked for about 45 minutes and then I had to come back here and get my weightlifting in before I shower and do my interview. So if you saw my TikTok yesterday, then you know that I used lighter weights yesterday. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm picking 4 exercises every single day to do, and I'm going to alternate between heavy weights and light weights. Kind of how I've decided to do it. So that's what we're going to do. So this is a heavier weight day. These are 8-pound weights. I used 4-pound weights yesterday. So I'm going to show you each of the 4 exercises that I am doing today. And then obviously I'm only going to do 1 set, but I'm doing 4 times 20 of all of them, which is a lot. So we'll see if I can make that through. So the first one that we're going to start with is just a simple bicep curl. So I'm going to actually like squat a little bit with this, like so, and then bicep curl, 2. I'll probably only show like 10 because who wants to see me do 20 of these? Okay, that was exercise number 1. The second one is going to be a squat with a press. Now, this is the one that I'm like, am I going to be able to do that many of these? But we're going to try it. Okay, so this one's super simple. I'm going to kind of turn at an angle so you can see. Shoulder or legs hip width apart. Weights here, down and up. And again, 4 sets of 20. Okay. Number 3 is going to be a row. So I learned you get into like a deep squat position. Let's see if I can back up a little bit so you can see better. And go like that. So 20 on each arm. I'm kind of watching myself in the mirror. Going to be a shoulder press, but like not up like the other one, out. So 1. Okay, that was 10, but 4 times 20. Okay, now I'm gonna do all the rest of it, take a shower. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so it has actually been quite a while. I finished my weightlifting workout. I took a shower, I cleaned up downstairs, and then I came up here and I actually had an interview with one of you guys, with Christy, which you guys will see in the next couple of weeks. Just finished with that, and then I ran downstairs and microwaved my lunch. While I was waiting for this to microwave, I did have a small handful of blueberries. So thought I would mention that as well. But this is chicken with Parmesan, green beans, and potatoes. So there's little like baby red potatoes in there with green beans and chicken that I air fried last night. I made this last night and I just had to heat it up. And it's covered in like a Parmesan garlic sauce. So pretty excited to eat this. So the potatoes and green beans were actually a bird's eye packet, and it was 170-ish calories, or maybe it was 270 for the entire bag. And then the chicken obviously is maybe another couple hundred calories. I don't count calories, but I know you guys like to know those things. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna answer a few emails and respond to some comments. And then I actually I'm gonna hop on a TikTok live. So maybe you watched that live with me. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to eat all this looking at it. It's a lot of food, but we're gonna try. Okay, I'll see you guys the next time we do something. Taste test. Love me some green beans. I think I'm gonna start doing this regularly, just getting those steam fresh bags and adding chicken into it. This was a genius idea that last night Brittany had. Forgot to mention that I have a whole thing of water as well, mixed. It's the Sonic water, packet that I love. So chugging my water too. For dinner tonight, we are having toasted egg sandwiches and some little hash brown thingies, and I'm gonna have some blueberries as well. I will show you my plate when it's all put together. I totally forgot to record, and the kids are already eating over there. Yes, ma'am. Okay, here we go. And then I brought over the blueberries that have already been washed to nibble on as well, which are delicious. There you go, kids taking them already. Okay. These like jumbo blueberries came from Sam's Club. It's the...
Oh my gosh, they're so good,
I know, they're so good. It is the Wow Joyberry. Wow Joyberry. They're so good. Like if you have a Sam's Club near you, you go try these out. My kids are making fun. Okay, everybody, I am like dog tired to the bones. Let me tell you, the first day of school with 3 kids in 3 different schools is no freaking joke. And my house shows it currently. So anyway, I'm going to eat my Lindy's Italian Ice that you guys already know. I was gonna finish my day off with, like, do I even have to say it at this point? I'm gonna eat that and then I'm gonna go to bed. I did just have a crazy thought though. Who has been around long enough to remember my little pomegranate Brookside balls, the little chocolate pomegranate balls I used to eat? I have not seen those things in forever. I used to get the big bag of them at Sam's Club, and now I have an inkling for them, so I gotta go find some. So anyway, for the current moment. Oh, and who says you can't have cravings on a GLP1? See, there's one right there that I'm having. Oh, there's my creatine. Lots of people have been asking about this, especially on TikTok, and I can't show it there, but it's the Nutri-Cost one. This is the one that I added to my coffee this morning. I can't show it there because they flag me every time I do so, but if you came from TikTok, this is the one. Okay, I'm gonna eat this, wash my face, and go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.